You see the birds? Whoa. They loud, huh? It's bright, huh? Your eyes have to adjust. You ready to go?
Oh, no.
What?
Where the birds go?
Girl, they had to go do something else. I don't know.
No.
They're gone. Bye.
Papa.
Bye, birds. See you later. Say see you later.
How?
Say see you later.
How?
Huh?
How?
We gotta go, Avery. Come on.
Where the birds go?
They went bye-bye. Come on. Let's go bye-bye. We gotta go.
No.
Come on.
Go.
Come on. We do this every day. Come on, girl. Get in the car.
No.
Ooh, Avery.
No.
Avery. You are exercising this word too much. Come on. You want to eat?
No.
Oh, you don't even want to eat no more? I thought you just wanted to eat. Where you going?